If you're considering Sage Global Services for your business needs, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. You've probably heard a lot of buzz about the product, but is it really the right fit for you? I'm going to break down key aspects of Sage Global Services and compare it to some of its top competitors. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share how you can get the best offer and try it completely free. Let's dive in. First thing to consider: user friendliness. Sage Global Services offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface, which stands out in a crowded marketplace. Some competitors like QuickBooks and Xero might have similar features, but their interfaces can feel clunkier or more overwhelming, especially for newcomers. With Sage, everything is laid out clearly, and the learning curve isn't as steep. This is a huge benefit if you're looking to get up and running quickly without a lot of technical headaches. Next thing you should know: customization options. Sage Global Services offers deep customization options, making it a great fit for businesses of different sizes and industries. Whether you're in retail, construction, or professional services, you can tweak the system to suit your needs. Unlike some of its competitors, which have more rigid structures, Sage allows a level of flexibility that most businesses crave as they scale. It's built to adapt, not force you to adapt to it. The third thing to know is scalability. As your business grows, so do your needs. Sage Global Services excels here. While smaller competitors may offer limited options when it comes to scaling up your operations, Sage provides advanced features like multi-currency support, customizable reporting, and more. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to expand or those that already have a complex structure in place. The fourth thing you need to be aware of is pricing structure. Sage Global Services can sometimes be pricier than its competitors, especially for small businesses. While it offers a lot of premium features, some entry-level users might find its pricing a bit steep compared to options like FreshBooks or QuickBooks. However, the value you get in terms of advanced capabilities, scalability, and support is worth the investment, especially for businesses ready to grow. Next, customer support. Sage Global Services provides robust customer service, including 24/7 access to support and a vast knowledge base. Many users report that the support team is quick to respond and helpful with technical issues. This can be a big differentiator when compared to other services, where customer support can sometimes feel slow or unhelpful. If you run into trouble, Sage's team is there to back you up, giving you peace of mind. The sixth thing is integration with other tools. Sage integrates well with other software systems like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, and various e-commerce platforms, which makes it an attractive option for businesses that already rely on these tools. Some competitors may struggle with these integrations, leading to inefficiencies or the need for additional software. Sage Global Services excels in making everything talk to each other seamlessly, so you won't have to juggle multiple systems. And the seventh thing to know is security. Sage Global Services prioritizes security with top-tier encryption and secure cloud storage. This is essential, especially when compared to other providers, where you might face concerns around data protection or unreliable backups. With Sage, you can rest easy knowing your business data is safe from hackers or data loss. If you're interested in trying Sage Global Services yourself, I've got some great news. You can get the best offer and try it completely free from the first link in the description below. By clicking that link, you'll also get some exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. So, if you're ready to experience the full power of Sage Global Services, don't wait. Click the link and take advantage of this free trial. See for yourself if Sage is the right fit for your business before committing to anything long-term. Remember, with Sage, you're getting more than just another software. You're getting a partner that grows with you.